Depression is one of the most searched terms on YouTube. Today, I'm going to be speaking about amputee depression and depression itself, and I hope that as we go along this journey, that you'll find something powerful from today's video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing some strategies that help me to fight depression. And I hope that these strategies help you as well, whether you're an amputee like me with depression, or you just have depression for any other reason. Having an amputation is traumatic. It's okay to have these moments where you do feel depressed. And I want to bring to light that it's okay to be depressed. It's normal to feel depressed after an amputation. It's normal to feel depressed after something difficult has happened in your life. Strategy number 1 is to write down all of the reasons to be alive and to post it somewhere where you can see it every day. Now, I have my card where I wrote down all of my reasons to be alive, and one of those is YouTube. My passion and my drive to get up every morning is to make videos for you guys. It is to reply to comments from you guys. It is to serve the Phoenix family. That is a purpose that I have, and that keeps me going. It keeps me getting up every day, and it keeps me going like, I can go one more day because I have a purpose with the Phoenix family. And I hope that you guys feel like you have a purpose here with the Phoenix family as well. I want you to feel like this community is your safe place. Strategy number 2 is to try a weighted blanket. I have a weighted blanket that my mom made for me several years ago to help with PTSD, anxiety, depression. This is one of my favorite tools to use while fighting depression. Strategy number 3 is to allow yourself the room and the time to cry about it, to be sad about it, to realize that it is okay to have these emotions and that it is not a sign of weakness to cry about it. It's not a sign of weakness to be sad about it. In fact, it is a sign of strength that you are willing to acknowledge your emotions and be sad. Strategy number 4 for fighting depression is to make sure that you are honest as possible with your doctors and to possibly even see a psychologist or a psychiatrist, whichever one describes medication. I can never remember the difference between the two, but to go to someone that is a prescriber of medication and to make sure that if they prescribe you antidepressants that you take them as prescribed, because they can really help you to be able to fight depression in a way that you can't without medication. Strategy number 5 is to make sure that you gratitude journal. Now, gratitude journaling every single day has helped me to be thankful for things in my life and to be able to see that not everything is dark and gloomy, even though I may feel that everything is dark and gloomy on the inside. Strategy number 6 is to make sure that in your day you have enough things that you can enjoy and projects that light your fire. Now for me, this is working on YouTube videos and crafts. I love crafts because they give me something to focus on that's not the pain in my leg. And so maybe that's something you can try as well. Strategy number 7 is to make sure that you try to go to therapy. Now, going to therapy for me is something that's really helped me to sort through these emotions and to allow myself room to feel what I feel and to realize that it's okay to feel mad, sad, scared, annoyed, any of those negative emotions out there towards the amputation. And finally, last but not least, the last point I want to talk about is that it's okay to realize that not all amputees are going to be Olympians. And so it's okay to not be this picture-perfect Olympian out there that's running marathons or anything like that. I mean, I'm still stuck in a wheelchair and I'm not doing what I want to be doing, but in the end, I'm realizing and accepting that I might be in the wheelchair for a lot longer than I had hoped, and it's quite possible that I could be in the wheelchair for quite a long time, and I'm accepting that this is what my life is right now and I have to learn how to do things in the wheelchair. Thank you for watching. If you would like to see the video that YouTube recommends for you, click over here. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!